Hello everybody, this is Jake Cars Reviews here. Today I have 4 new packages I got for Christmas. Here we have the 5-pack Mater Saves Christmas with Ramon, McQueen, Guido, Luigi, and Fillmore. Here we have Nostal, also known as Todd Marcus. From the Precision series, here we have Red. And from the Cars 3 series, here we have Pat Traxton. So let's open these cars. All these cars are 155 scale die casts, original from Mattel. Here's Ramon. He's decorated like a Christmas present. He's green and has red ribbons on his hood. Here we have Lightning McQueen. He has a painted green lightning bolt and white wall tires with metallic finish. Next, here's Guido. He has a movable scarf. He also has this little tiny Christmas present that you could put on his forklift. Next, here's Luigi. He's exclusive to this set, and so is Guido. He has a plastic hat, which is not removable. Next, here we have Fillmore. He has a bunch of lighting on his rooftop, and he has a Peace on Earth logo, and also a thing here, which I don't know is called. He's all decorated for Christmas. Todd Marcus. He was one of the racers in Cars. He was re-raced for Nostal. He's number 123. He appeared at the beginning of the movie Cars at the Motor Speedway of the South. Pat Traxton. He's one of the pace cars at the end of the movie Cars 3, who was leading and guiding all the cars. And he came with this little billboard. Finally, here we have the Precision Series Red. He has a retractable ladder, which you can move up. And he also comes with this little keychain. And there is a little bit of a definition about him, which you can pause and read. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this special video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.